love cooking for friends and family, and I'm always on the hunt for the best ingredients. I want to use high quality materials, and I want the end result to look great. So when I needed a new front door, I called Renewal by Andersen. Their exclusive Ensemble Entry Door has that perfect blend of style and engineering. Let's dive into the science, shall we?
When the folks at Renewal by Andersen set out to design their entry door system, they knew it needed to be different and better.
They spent years engineering a custom door that holds up to some of the most rigorous and comprehensive testing, setting the bar for performance in the industry. Most off-the-shelf front doors have a bunch of individual pieces stuck together, but an ensemble entry door is different. It is one continuous composite frame, and it's custom built to your home's exact opening. What does that mean for you? You won't have to worry about things like drafts, water infiltration, termite damage, or money wasted on energy bills. Add in the multi-point locking system. That's the sound of security. You've got yourself one tough door that stands up to all climates. Okay, enough of the sciencey stuff. Let's get to my favorite part, the design. First, let's pick a configuration. You could choose a single panel, like this one, or maybe you want a double. What about side lights, like the ones on this door? Or maybe your opening calls for a transom. Next, choose your panel style. From contemporary to classic, craftsman to mid-century modern, and more. Ensemble entry doors match any home, no matter the look.
And if you don't know what you want, the highly skilled Renewal by Andersen design consultants will help you get there.
Whether you want mild or wild, classic or contemporary, you've got dozens of paint colors and stain options to choose from. And here's the cool thing. You can choose one color on the outside and a different color on the inside. Gosh, neutral, natural, so many good colors and glass choices. Ooh. There's a lot of glass options to browse through. If you want something eye-catching, like this door, you can add art glass. Or if you want a mix of style and privacy, you can add pattern glass. Want to add grills? You can do that too. You need utensils to prep your food, and you need a handle to open and close your door. Don't overlook that. Renewal by Andersen has tons of options to match your existing home style or mix it up. And if you're into smart home technology, you can upgrade and control your door from your phone. With an ensemble entry door, there are fun extras that you can choose from to make your door truly your own.
I went through the design process with a Renewal by Andersen design consultant, and here's what I created for my house.
Look, there are a lot of options when it comes to creating your own entry door, but Renewal by Andersen makes this process so easy. That's because every ensemble entry door comes with their exclusive signature service. The team handles it all, from the design consultation to manufacturing to install. You're working with one company through the entire process, and it's covered under their fully transferable limited warranty.
When you choose an ensemble entry door system exclusively from Renewal by Andersen, you're getting a door that's strong, secure, stunning, and stands the test of time.
It might be the secret ingredient that sets your home apart. Come on in,